In this video, we are going to take up one more Python program to check whether the given number is an Armstrong number or not. So first, I want to enter a number. INT input, enter a number here. Then enter a number. I am entering the number as 153. So what I wanted to do is, so here, what is an Armstrong number? The number 153 what you have, we want to check. That is, what is the order of this number? The order of this number is 3. You have length of the string. So that is 153. So it becomes 3. So the order is 3. So sum is equal to 0. Temp is equal to num. So here sum is equal to sum plus digit to the power of order. So what does it mean? That means if you have 3 to the power of 3, it becomes 9. Then if you have, the next number is 5. 5 to the power of 3 is 125 plus 9, 134. So 25 into 5, 125 plus 3 to the power of 3 is 27. 125 plus 125 plus 27 is 152. Then you have 1 to the power of, so 1 digit is 1 to the power of order is 3. Again it becomes 1. 152 plus 1, it becomes 153. So that is the total value of sum. So sum is equal to sum is equal to num. So if the value of sum is equal to num means 153. 153 is equal to 153, then it is an Armstrong number. Else, if it is not an Armstrong number, I will repeat. If the number is 153, I will going to take this into string and consider it's an order. What is the order of that? Order is 3. So we got the order. Then we have a digit. So the first digit here is 3. So 3 to the power of 3 becomes 27 plus second is 5. 5 to the power of 3 is 125 plus 27. It is 152. Then the last order is 1. That is digit is 1. 1 to the power of 3 is 1. So the sum of this will be 153. The sum is equal to 153 and num is also equal to 153. Therefore, this will be an Armstrong number. That is what? It's an Armstrong number. Similarly, if you are taking an 343, it's not an Armstrong number. Enter a number here, 1634. Again, it is an Armstrong number. We are going to see how it is going to be explained. So here, this is the coding what we have. Num is equal to int input. Enter a number here. The number what we have entered is 153. Order is length of the string number. What is the length of the string number? The length of the string number is 153. See what it does. Num is an integer value. I want to convert that into a string. So I will going to use str number. Str of 153 will going to give you the string of 153. String of 153 means length of 153 is 3 order. So we got the order here. Then initialize the value of sum is equal to 0. Then I'm assigning temp is equal to num. I'm taking one more variable there. So why I'm taking one variable there? That is basically because I want to check sum is equal to num. So while temp is, what is the value of temp now? Temp is 153. Is greater than 0, condition is true. Digits is equal to temp % temp. So what does it mean? So here order length of string number, str number converts integer into string. That is what we are doing. Length of str number means order is equal to length of string 153. Order is 3. Sum is equal to 0. Temp is equal to num. Temp will become 153. Is 153 is greater than 0. Condition is true. Digit is equal to 10% 10. So what I am doing is 153 divided by 10. If I do that, 10 is equal to 153. 15 I will go to get. So the remainder is 3. Because that is the remainder what we want. What is the value of sum? Sum is, initialize the value of sum is equal to 0. So 0 plus digit double star order, digit to the power of order. What is the digit you have? The digit is 3. 3 double star 3. You're going to get 27. Okay. Then temp is equal to integer division. Next, temp is equal to integer division or floor division. So what is the value of temp? The temp will be 15. Why? Because 10 divided by 153, you are going to get the integer division. So 153, 15. So the new value of temp will going to become 15. If 15 is greater than 0, condition is true. Then digit is equal to 10% 10. So 10 divided by 15, you are going to get the remainder as 5. So digit is equal to 5. Sum is equal to previous value of sum is 27 plus digit is 5. Order is same 3. 125, you are going to get 152. So what is the integer division? You have 1. So temp becomes, next value of temp is 1. So temp will be equal to 15 divided by 10. So temp will going to become 1. See, 1 is greater than 0. Condition is true. Digit is equal to 1% 10. So this is 1. Remainder is 1. What is the value of sum? Sum will be equal to previous value of sum is 152 plus what is the value of digit? Digit, what is the remainder you have? 1. So 1 into 1 to the power of 3. 152 plus 1 is 153. Next, temp is equal to temp integer division 10. So what is the value of temp now? Temp will going to become 0. So 0 is greater than 0. Condition is false. Comes out of the while loop. So once it comes out of the while loop, sum will be equal to, sum is equal to num. So 153 is equal to 153. It's an Armstrong number. So this is how you will be able to execute this for an Armstrong number. Similarly, when you want to do, it's not an Armstrong number. Num is equal to 343. Str num converts integer into string. So you're going to get 343. Order is, length of str number is, order is 3. Sum is equal to 0. Temp is equal to num. Temp is 343. If 343 is greater than 0, condition is true. Digit is equal to, what happens? I will go to consider 3. Sum is equal to 0 plus 3 to the power of 3, 27. Then temp is equal to temp integer division. So that we will go to get 34. Temp is equal to 34. Okay. Now we will come to this. If 34 is greater than 0, condition is true. Then digit will be equal to, what is that? Remainder. 4. Digit is equal to 4. Then sum is equal to sum plus digit double star order. 27 plus 4 to the power of 3. 4 4 is 16 into 4, 64. So sum is equal to 27 plus 64. Sum will equal to become 91. Then what is the value of temp? Temp will be integer division 10. So 10 divided by 34. What is that? 3 is the floor division. So you will go to get temp is equal to 3. If 3 is greater than 0, condition is true. Digit is equal to 3% 10. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 3. So digit is equal to 3. 91 plus 3 to the power of 3. 91 plus 27, sum is equal to 118. Then temp is equal to, what is that? 3 integer division 10. So it becomes 0. Temp is equal to 0. If 0 is greater than 0, it comes out of the while loop. Sum is equal to num. What is the value of sum? The value of sum is 118 is equal to num value. It is 343. Condition is false. Therefore, it is not an Armstrong number. So this is how you will be able to find the given whether the number entered is an Armstrong number or not. So how to execute this? By using a Python program. So first I want to enter num equals int input. Enter a number here. Enter a number here. Okay. Now the next thing is I want to check the order of that. Order length str number. Okay. Next. Then I want sum equals 0. Then temp equals num. Correct? Then while temp is greater than 0, then what is that number? Digit equals temp% 10. Okay. Then I will get sum equals sum plus digit double star order. Okay. Once you get that, I will go to get it in parentheses. Okay, that is it's okay. It's not required also, but still because hierarchy of the program. So then you will get temp equals temp integer division 10. Then if sum is equal to num, condition is true, print it is an Armstrong number. Num, comma, it is an Armstrong number. You can type it like this also. Okay. Else print num, it is not an Armstrong number. Okay, sorry. Now when you run the program, I will say 153. 153, it is an Armstrong number. Okay. Similarly, I will run one more program. 343. 343, it is not an Armstrong number. So this is how I will be able to execute the program. So how it will going to be considered? Let us see now. Debug Python file. So I will enter it. Num is 153. Okay. Order is 3. You will get order is 3. You got it. Sum equals 0. Temp is equal to 153. Okay. Then 153 is greater than 0. Condition is true. What is the digit you will going to get? Digit will going to be 3. You can see here. Okay. Sum is equal to, what is that? 27. Correct? Sum is equal to 27. Temp will be equal to 15. Then 15 is greater than 0. Condition is true. What is the digit? Digit will be 5. Sum will be equal to 152. Okay. Temp is equal to 1. Digit is equal to 1. Sum will be equal to 153. Correct? Temp is equal to 0. 0 is greater than 0? No. Sum is equal to 153. Num is also equal to 153. You can see. Since it is equal, num, entered number is what? 153. It is an Armstrong number. Similarly, I will execute one more time for a not an Armstrong number. Num, I will say 343. Order is 3 again. Sum 0. Temp num. Temp is 343. First digit is 3. Then sum is equal to 27. Correct? Here. Then temp will be equal to 34. You will go to get 34. Digit is equal to 4. 4 to the power of 3. 16 plus 64 plus sum 91. Temp becomes 5. Sorry, temp is equal to 3. Digit is equal to 3. Digit is 3. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So sum will be equal to 118. Temp 0. 0 is greater than 0. No. The sum is equal to num. Sum is 118. Temp num is 343. Is equal to? No. It's not equal. So it skips this statement. Num is what? Num is 343. It's not an Armstrong number. So this is how I will be able to check whether the given number is an Armstrong number or not. Thank you.